MProfit Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to MProfit and related products are in the description below. Now let's get straight into the review. MProfit is a powerful portfolio management and accounting software designed for investors, traders, and wealth managers who need a comprehensive financial tracking solution. Unlike basic budgeting apps, MProfit focuses on investment tracking, tax reporting, and multi-asset portfolio management, making it ideal for individuals and professionals handling complex financial portfolios. Features: MProfit supports automated portfolio tracking by syncing with stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes. It offers real-time valuation updates and in-depth reports, including capital gains, XRR, and tax summaries, which are essential for compliance and financial planning. One of its standout features is its ability to import data from multiple sources, including broker statements, Excel sheets, and contract notes, streamlining portfolio consolidation. MProfit also integrates with accounting modules, allowing users to maintain books of accounts along with their investments. The platform is available on Windows, web, and mobile apps, ensuring accessibility across devices. Security is a priority, with encrypted data storage and local backup options for privacy-conscious users. Strengths: MProfit's biggest strength is its ability to manage multi-asset portfolios with detailed reporting and analytics. The automated data import feature saves time for investors who track multiple holdings, while the tax reporting tools simplify tax calculations for capital gains and other financial obligations. The platform is also highly scalable, making it suitable for both individual investors and financial advisors managing multiple client portfolios. Additionally, MProfit's offline functionality and data privacy features give users full control over their financial data, unlike cloud-only alternatives. Weaknesses: the main downside of MProfit is that while it offers a free version, advanced features like detailed tax reports, automated imports, and multi-user access are locked behind a paid plan. The user interface, while functional, may feel slightly outdated compared to modern personal finance apps. Also, while it supports stock and mutual fund tracking well, it lacks deep integrations with banking and expense tracking, limiting its use as a full-fledged personal finance tool. Final verdict: MProfit is a solid choice for investors, traders, and financial professionals who need a powerful portfolio management tool with tax reporting and accounting features. If you're serious about tracking investments and optimizing tax planning, MProfit is worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.